Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. I am doing a layout, my first layout with the winter glow kits from Tiara Kits, and I thought I'd share that process with you. So I am actually taking 3 photos and they're in color, something I don't normally do. They may look random or weird. The first one is one of my daughters making a snow angel and covering her face because my other daughter was throwing snow. A bonfire with snow all around it, and then one of my boys with a big old snowball in his hands. So we actually got snow here recently, and so I'm actually scrapbooking a really recent photo. But we got snow here recently, and we actually got to play in it. Kind of have a tradition. If it snows and it starts sticking, I usually wake my kids up and we go outside and we play. And I love this tradition, always done it. So this time they were actually already up and it had started sticking to the ground. So we decided we were going to have a bonfire, something nice and toasty to keep us warm while we played. So that's what these pictures are of. Here I decided I didn't want just a plain white background. So I kind of went in and just randomly cut off the edges of the pages. I wanted to rough them up, and I'm going to stick them on this beautiful snowflake background. Now, it hates me to do what I do here in just a second. My brain was not functioning correctly. I did not think. I should have just cut the center out. I didn't, and I really hate that I did that. That's just a waste of paper to me. I'm sorry. If anybody's screaming at me, I understand. I went back and roughed up the edges a little more. I'm going to make this rip larger so that it's bigger there on the layout. I actually went and cut the little excess off. There was still part of the branding strip there, and so I cut that off. I'm also I'm going to lay these out again. I'm going to grab my fossilized amber distressed spritz, and I'm going to splatter that all over the background. I absolutely love this one. It's got such a beautiful gold shimmer to it. Impatient as I always am, I went ahead and rolled it with my paper towel roll. I grabbed some 3D foam from my stash. It's got adhesive on one side. It's really nice. I went ahead and added that. I'm going to change the order of my photos, and I am putting some on each of my photos. The center one, I'm just going to put it on one side because it's already popped up. Oh, excuse me. It's already popped up on the top photo. There was a bunch of empty space there with the snow just being all at the bottom of that. So I'm going to layer this one over it. And then I'm going to have the fire below it. And I didn't want there to be 3D foam behind the top part of that. So I also used one of the gorgeous film strips from the kit. It's by 49 and Market. And I put it down one side. And then I used another piece from the Echo Park set that I put behind my photo. I'm using a lot of blues and the tealies, a little bit of green here and there. You'll see that here in a minute. I do go ahead and grab this. It's a Simple Story. Is that Simple Story? It's not Simple Stories. See, my brain's not working. Anyways, I grabbed that cut apart sheet, and yes, I'm looking for it right now. That's why you will hear that noise. I grabbed that cut apart sheet, and I went ahead and cut out that adorable little snowman. At the moment, that's all I will do. I'm 99% sure that is Echo Park. It is Echo Park. I was right. I will cut out a couple more things here in a minute, but I am actually using the Echo Park chipboard accents and popping out a ton of those snowflakes because, it's snowing. It was our first snow of the year. And, we don't always get snow here. At least nothing that you can build anything out of or anything like that. So this was fun. There's the other piece that I went ahead and cut out. It's a cute little tree because I had already popped out the chipboard tree and put it up top. I also used the little boots. I used some on the bottom and the top. And then I used the tree. I cut out another another film strip and stuck it over there to the right-hand side of my photo of my son holding a snowball. And then I'm gluing down the chipboard pieces and the pieces that I had fussy cut out already. I'm just kind of getting them stuck where they need to be and kept down. There's a little hat, a little beanie up there on the top photo. There was some more of these little bitty snowflakes, so I went ahead and popped more of those out. I'm fighting with some of them here. I'm actually going to grab a paintbrush and poke it through because it was teeny tiny and my fingers were too big. And And so I went ahead and popped that out. I switched the place of those. Why? I don't know. I really don't. Something made me want to switch them. This is, let's see, what is this one? This is the Echo Park adhesive brads. I went ahead and I didn't actually use the brads on this layout. I used a little banner that said winter, and then down on the bottom I put I love snow. Well, I mean, that's what I take it as. It's I and then a snowflake snow. But I do love snow, and it's cute. And that finished this layout for me. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. Sorry for my scatterbrainedness. If you did like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you're notified when I upload more videos. Make sure to check out the links below. Come join us over on the Facebook page. We'd love to have you there. Have a great day. Bye.